पायले या झनकार मोरे पायले या झनकार मोरे पायले या झनकार मोरे झनन झनन बाजे झनकार झनन झनन बाजे झनकार पायले या झनकार मोरे पायले या झनकार मोरे पिया समझाऊं समझत नाही 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 सासन नद मोरे देगे गारे झनकार मोरे पायले या झनकार मोरे झनन झनन बाजे झनकार पायले या झनकार पायलिया झनकार मोरे पायले या झनकार माधानी सा धानी सारे नि दारे नि दाओ पादाओ मा पा गा मरे गरे पाम गरे सा पायले या झनकार मोरे झनन झनन बाजे झनकार झनन झनन बाजे झनकार पायले या झनकार 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 मोरी.
Hello and welcome back to Mood India, California Arts Association's presentation of Performing Arts from India. I'm your host, Arvind Kansal. Continuing our series on Indian classical music, today we are going to approach Raga Puriya Dhanashri in a very interesting way. We are going to talk about its Hindustani classical format as well as its counterpart in Carnatic classical. In the studio we have, sitting on my left side, Nachiket Sharma. He has learnt from Pandit Basavraj Rajguru. Sitting on my right hand side is Raghavan Manian, also familiar to our audience. He has learned from Dr. Bal Murali Krishna. On tabla we have Sudarshan Siddhe, whose teacher is Ustad Zakir Hussain. On harmonium we have Vivek Datar, who has learned from Pandit Vinayak Rao Kale. On mridangam we have Karthik Gopal Ratnam, who has learned from H.S. Sudhindra. On violin we have H.V. Srivatsan, whose teachers are Anur Ramkrishna and K.V. Narayan Swami. Welcome. So Nachiket, tell us something about today's rag, and we are going to do something quite interesting, as we believe never done on this show before.
Yeah, we are going to do Rag Puriya Dhanashri today. Puriya Dhanashri in the Hindustani tradition has a very special place. It's a beautiful rag. It's an evening rag. And the name Purya Dhanashri is sort of misleading because it is neither Purya nor Dhanashri.
No connection to either.
Not really.
Okay.
It belongs to the Thaat Purvi, which is one of the 10 Thats in the Hindustani tradition. It is a rag that has a very vakra swaroop, or a very convoluted or a crooked gait. And I'll show you how the chalan or the walkthrough of this rag is. Re ga ma pa ga ma pa da pa ga ma dha ni sa sa ni dha pa pa da ma pa ga ma re ga ma pa da ma ga ma re ma ga re sa. The gama rega, that phrase forms really what is the pakkad of this rag, the pakkad or the catchphrase of this rag. You sing gama rega. There are many rags that are related to Purya Dhanashri that have the same scale, but this is very unique in this rag.
That's what
this phrase
makes it identifiable.
Pa ma pa ga ma re ga ma ga re sa. The pa is the vadi, or it is the most important note in this rag. Ne re ga ma pa da pa. However, in the ascent, you skip the pa. Ga ma dha ni sa, but you bring back the pa in the descent. Sa ni dha pa pa da ma pa ga ma re ga. It's a very nice.
It's quite an old rag.
It is an old rag. It is a traditional rag in the sense it dates back many hundreds of years, and it is related, like I said, to quite a few rags. And but it has a very unique place.
Any catchy or familiar compositions?
Yeah, there are not too many Hindi film songs in this rag, but there are quite some notable ones. For example, there is a very nice Asha Bhosle song from the film Surat or Sirat, composed by Roshan. Prem lagan man mein basa le, prem lagan man mein basa. Notice the emphasis on the ga.
Ga. Comes out beautiful.
There is a more recent song from the film Rangila, composed by A.R. Rahman. हाय रामा ये क्या हुआ, क्यों ऐसे हमें सताने लगे. That's also very nice. In fact, in the beginning of the song, there's an overtone of Pailiya Jhanakar Mori in that song. So just to make sure that
connection is well made.
The connection to Purya Dhanashri is well made.
Okay. So Raghavan, let's talk about the Carnatic equivalent of this raga.
The Carnatic equivalent of Purya Dhanashri goes by two names, Pantuvarali, also known as Kamavardhini. The reason for two names is one is historical. Well, both of them are historical.
Okay.
In a sense, Pantuvarali has been the name of the masses for the longest time, whereas Kamavardhini was introduced in order to classify the ragam as one among the Melakartas and provide it its place as the 51st spoke in the Melakarta wheel. The real background is that Carnatic music, mother ragas or Janaka ragas are divided into 72. And in fact, the position of the raga in the wheel of Melakarta can be determined uniquely by its name. There's quite a interesting theory behind that. So that is how it is Pantuvarali or Kamavardhini. For most people, it's Pantuvarali. And the Varali at the end of it is actually a common, shall I say, suffix to many other ragas. There is Varali, Subhapantuvarali, Jala Varali, and so on. Some of them are similar, some of them are not. So we cannot really debate as to whether all Varalis are the same or they are different. That having been said, Pantuvarali is an old ragam in the Carnatic form, and it's been around for so long that all great composers have had a go at it. Tyagaraja Swami being, of course, the greatest of them all, and composed certain gems in this raga that one of which I'll be singing.
That is the one we'll be talking about.
Right. So
Tell us something about it. What is the composition?
Sure. Before I go into that, again, the popular angle to the ragam is, does exist in the south too, and we have some old numbers and some new ones. There is one by Vani Jairam. ஏழு ஸ்வரங்களுக்குள் எத்தனை பாடல். That is a popular one, and there are one or two very nice Ilayaraja songs. And the krama is a straight sarigama padani sanida pamagare sa, and the main notes Gandharam, Sajamam, and Panchamam.
Nice. Very similar to the one
It
that
is
Nachiket
very
talked
similar.
about.
Pamaga mariga. Again, a very definitive phrase. You can identify Pantuvarali wherever it is with that. Ta na gamari. That is a definitive phrase.
Okay. So how about the Kirtana?
Before I start the Kirtana, Srivatsan here will play a small introduction to the raga. सुंदरदर देहम रामम सुंदरदर देहम वंदेहम रामम सुंदरदर देहम वंदेहम रामम सुंदरदर देहम कुंदरदनमाब्द कुमुद शशांगम कुंदरदनमाब्द सुंदरदनमाब्द कुमुद शशांगम गंधर्वसद कोटि गांधिमति निष्कळंगम गंधर्वसद कोटि गांधिमति निष्कळंगम सुंदरदर देहम वंदेहम रामं सुंदरदर देहम आगम संचारं अखिल लोकाधारं आगम संचारं अखिल लोकाधारं भागाधिपकुमारं वरवीरवीरं रागादि संहारं रागादि संहारं राघवमुदारं रागादि संहारं राघवमुदारं रागादि संहारं राघवमुदारं त्यागराज हृसंचारं कारुण्यवरवरं त्यागराज हृसंचारं कारुण्यवरवरं त्यागराज हृसंचारं कारुण्यवरवरं सुन्दरदर देहं वन्देहं रामं सुन्दरदर देहं वन्देहं रामम् हरि
going to do a Jugalbandi, understand. So tell us about what we're going to do on the Hindustani side.
A Jugalbandi, as you have mentioned, is a composite of the two styles, the Hindustani and Carnatic styles. What we'll do in the Hindustani style first is an alap, or a slow unfolding of the rag. After that, we'll do a bandish or a composition in the Hindustani tradition. Bhavana Bhavana Bole Ata Bhavara. It is a traditional composition based in Rag Pure Dhanashri.
And in combination with him, you'll be also looking at the Carnatic side of it, right?
Right. So I say just find all the places Nachi said Hindustani and replace with Carnatic. Except, truth be told, the bandish that we are going to take today is in fact a Hindustani composition, which raises the question of what is a Carnatic musician doing here. What we are really trying to explore here is that how can we approach the same raga, which is essentially the same font and same template, and but do it and look at the same murti in two different angles. Right. It's essentially what we are trying to do here.
And that will be very interesting for our viewers also.
It would be interesting to the musicians as well.
Yes. भवन भवन बोले आत भवरा भवन भवन बोले आत भवरा भवन भवन बोले आत भवरा भवन बोले
आत भवर भवन भवन बोले आत भवर भवन भवन बोले
आत भवरा भवन बोले आत भवरा भवन बोले आत भवरा
भवन भवन भवन
भवन बोले आत भवरा भवन भवन बोले आत भवन बोले
भवन भवन बोले भवन 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 बोले बोले भवन भवन
आत भवन बोले आत भवरा भवन बोले आत भवरा भवन भवन बोले आत भवरा भवन भवन बोले आत भवन बोले
भवन
भवन भवन बोले आत भवरा सुख न भये आए पिया मोरा सुख न भये आए पिया मोरा भवन भवन बोले आत भवरा भवन भवन बोले
आत भवन भवन बोले आत भवन बोले
आत भवरा आत भवरा भवन बोले आत भवन 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 बोले आत भवरा भवन भवन बोले आत अब के मौसम में आएंगे पिया अब के मौसम में आएंगे पिया पिया
पिया
पिया अब के मौसम में आएंगे पिया अब के मौसम में आएंगे पिया
अब के मौसम में आएंगे पिया अब के मौसम में आएंगे पिया अब के मौसम में आएंगे पिया
अब के मौसम अब के मौसम में
अब के मौसम में
अब के मौसम में आएंगे पिया, अब के मौसम में आएंगे पिया। अब के मौसम में आएंगे पिया। अब के मौसम में आएंगे पिया।
अब के मौसम
में आएंगे पिया, अब के मौसम में आएंगे पिया। डार गले बिछ मारा सुखन भये, आए पिया मोरा सुखन भये, आए पिया मोरा भवन भवन बोले, अर्थ भवरा भवन भवन बोले, अर्थ भवरा भवन भवन बोले, भवन भवन बोले, भवन भवन बोले।
Mood India's programs are brought to you by California Arts Association. This concludes our program today on Purya Dhanashri. I'm your host Arvind Kansal. We hope to see you again next time. We definitely welcome your feedback and comments. Thank you. Namaskar.